Ever read an entire chapter for class, close the book, and realize you can't actually explain it? You're not alone. Here's a simple technique from a Nobel Prize-winning physicist that ensures you truly understand what you study. First, take a blank piece of paper and write the name of the concept you want to learn at the top. Just the name. Next, try to explain this concept in the simplest terms you can, as if you were teaching it to a 10-year-old. Write down your explanation. Don't use any complex jargon from the textbook, use your own words. This is the most important part. As you explain, you'll inevitably get stuck, or be forced to use a complicated term because you don't know a simpler way to say it. Whenever that happens, you've found a gap in your own understanding. Circle it. Finally, go back to your textbook or lecture notes and relearn only the parts where you found gaps. Once you understand them, go back to your explanation and write it again, but simpler this time. Repeat this process until you can explain the entire concept smoothly and simply. And that's the Feynman technique. It forces you to confront what you don't know, turning passive reading into active learning. You're not just memorizing anymore, you're truly understanding. What's the first topic you're going to try this on? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more